Hey guys, today is Thursday, September the 3rd. So today is the last day of the week because tomorrow we are off. So that means you do not have to do any work tomorrow. So hopefully you enjoy your day and actually a long weekend because we're off that following Monday too. So you get a 4-day weekend without any math work or any work at all. So that's pretty exciting. So what we're going to do today is kind of continue on that same path we were on yesterday, which is dividing fractions. We're only going to do one example with you today because it's the same process as we did yesterday. The only difference, as you can see right here on this example, we have a mixed number. So we want to show you how to divide a fraction with a mixed number. Super easy as long as you remember what we did earlier this week when we converted between mixed numbers and improper fractions. But today you're going to be just one page past where we were yesterday on lesson 8. So lesson 8 says dividing fractions and mixed numbers. And we're going to be going through this problem B here with you, okay? So Ms. Bridwell is going to take it over. She's going to show you how to do the problem, and we'll tell you what we want you to finish after she gets finished with the problem.
3 and 4/7.
3 and 4/7. Yep.
Okay, so like Mr. Winstead said, today is super simple. So we figured just one problem will help you and you'll be just fine. So process is still the same. We keep, change, flip. However, we cannot start the problem with a mixed number. Okay, so we have to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. So we're going to leave 2/5 alone because we don't need to do anything to it. We're leaving our division sign alone. And then we're going to convert this first. So if you remember from earlier in the week, you multiply the denominator and the whole number, and then we add the top, okay, or the numerator. So I know that 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 more should give me 25. And then we keep our denominator of the 7. Now, one thing we want to caution you about, a lot of kids try to do this step at the same, like too much at one time, and they try to go ahead and turn that to multiplication and do the reciprocal at the same time you're converting. Don't do it, okay? You'll make a mistake, we make a mistake. So take that time and go ahead and just set it up in that second step. Now that we have gotten rid of our mixed numbers, we can go ahead and keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction, 2/5, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip or find the reciprocal of 25/7, which is 7/25. So in that step, we multiplied by the reciprocal of that second fraction. Since it's multiplication, you know we can just multiply straight across now. 2 times 7, we know is 14. And then 25 times 5, if you don't know that math fact, you just come over here in some scratch paper and go ahead and do it the long way. So 5 times 5, we know is 25. Carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more gives us 12. So we know that 5 times 25 is 125. Okay. At that point, we would look and see if we could simplify that. And as I'm thinking about the factors that go into both of these, I know that 2 goes into 14, but 2 doesn't go into 125, and so on. I could keep working through that, but it does not simplify. Okay, that is as low as it goes. Correct?
Correct. So just to recap what Ms. Bridwell has done here, she basically took exactly what we taught you yesterday, those 3 words, keep, change, flip. But before you can actually do those 3 steps, if you have a mixed number, you just have to do a little cleanup work first. You have to convert it into an improper fraction, then you can keep, change, flip. So we can't divide with a mixed number in the problem. So make sure you change that. Make sure you're multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding it to the numerator. But other than that, that's exactly what you're going to be working on today. So on the next page, you have 4 problems. Now, on my copy, I'm not sure if yours is this way, but I think it is. What's up, Mr. Potts? Mr. Potts just getting here to work. So, if you look right here on number 4, that has 5 over, and it's very hard to see. It kind of looks like a 0. That's not a 0, that's an 8.
Okay.
So, make sure that you make sure that number 4 is an 8. But all you have to do for today's classwork is 1 through 4, and enter your work on Google Classroom. And Google, yeah, it's Google Form. I keep saying Google Classroom, sorry. And once you do that, you're done with math for the week, and you don't have to even log back in until Tuesday. So that's exciting. So we hope you'll have a great weekend. Enjoy it, and we will see you on
Tuesday.
Tuesday.